G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome to Matt's KLR650, the budget bike build. What episode?
7.
7? What are we doing?
Rear shock.
Rear shock, right, let's get into it.
Alrighty guys, so this is the new old rear shock I'm going to be putting in.
Sorry.
Wow, alright. Way to ruin me.
Yep.
Found a bloke on Gumtree wrecking KLR650s. He's from New South Wales. Anyway, it cost me 90 bucks posted. I have no idea if that's going to be any better than the one that's in there, but fingers crossed.
Rightio guys, so we'll get a whack it on the old jackaroo. We on your side?
Yeah.
Apparently this should be a really easy job. I think that's all we'll need.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
That should be enough.
I'll just drop it down a little bit. I reckon that should be it.
Cool.
Cool. Righto guys, Matt's going to point out what we've got to bloody remove.
So there's an air hose here that needs to come out of the way to get to that top shock bolt. If you can see in there, behind the hose.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you can just see it there guys, behind that hose, so that's got to come out.
Yep. And down the bottom there is the dog bones. They've got to come out to give us room.
So there's a bolt up the top,
Yep.
bolt on the
Bolt on the other end of it as well.
on the other end of it, which is down there, Matt.
Yeah.
Bring it
Sorry.
torch. Yeah,
There you go.
Oh, and there you can see the shock one as well.
And there's the shock one.
Cool.
And then that should be it. Should just fall out.
That's what we like.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Righto guys, hopefully you can see something down there. So Matt's on one side, I'm on the other side.
Yep.
Go for it.
Oh Jesus, no.
Yeah, that's not bloody moving at all, is it?
Oh, that is well on there. Hold on. Yeah, a bit more. Grab the mallet.
Grab the hammer, not the mallet. Because the mallet takes the jolt out of it, which is what it needs.
Jesus.
Like oh, eh?
Yep. Maybe a little bit more. So that is tight.
Tight, we'll get some spray onto it.
Yep.
Hang on guys. Yeah, it'll smell good too, so he's just whacking some degrease, as long as he doesn't spray it on me.
Oh, fine not to.
Ooh, yeah, smells good. Give me some over here and I might as well spray all this other stuff. Love this degreaser.
It's not good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
It still smells like WD-40 and degreaser, but yeah, I don't know, it's like citrus. Oh Jesus!
Sorry.
Just shit everywhere.
So is there any other bolts on your side that you can spray while you're there? Matt, might as well do it now. Let it do a bit of act. Hang on. Get over it. Is that actually moving?
Yeah.
Oh, it is it? Cool.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, brilliant. Yep, got it. Excellent.
He's having fun.
We're having an absolute ball.
Most excellent.
Off to a flying start here. Right, that nut is off.
That should slide out, which it is. Right, we'll leave that out the way. So that bolt there is just coming out. So that's a note to that being the bottom of the dog bone.
Yeah. One more to go on there.
Alright, that's the bottom over there.
Ready for the next one?
Hang on. Yep. Can the guys see? I think, I don't know. Yeah, they can see. You know. Oh man, I thought that was coming at me face.
Oh. That's hard, I'm trying not to hit.
Yeah, no, that's alright, you're right.
Trying not to hit the tyre or my hand.
Yeah. You're doing a marvellous job.
Yeah, I need to put a glove on though because it's starting to hurt my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, where am I? There. Oh, you bastard. Everything's slippery and coated in. Oh!
Oh no! Oh, you broke me spanner.
Wow!
Wow!
Oh,
Look at
that's
that.
good.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I literally just pushed on it then
Yeah.
to try and... Because I thought it felt like that nut was coming loose, but it was
Yeah.
obviously the spanner.
Oh, it must be me dodgy. I need to get good ones.
That's the cheap Chinese.
Yeah.
That was good.
Well, there you go, guys. That's what you get for buying cheap tools. I don't know what brand. There's actually no brand on these.
They're just the bunny ones.
Yeah, more than likely. Rightio, let's see if we can break the breaker bar in a socket.
Don't test me.
Right. Ugh. Hang on a minute. Hang on. The whole thing's turning.
Yeah, no.
All right. Yep. Whenever you're ready. Holy Jesus Christ!
Oh, shit.
Fuck, I slipped off. So, are you able to get the hammer on that? Just.
Yeah. Do you want to just let it push the whole way up?
Oh yeah.
That way you're not holding it.
Yep.
Might make it a bit easier for you.
Oh yeah, a bit. Yeah. I hear. Oh, I see. Might have to get the heat on it.
Yeah, no, that's not going to do it. Alright. Actually, you got a bit of pipe laying around.
Yep.
Cool. You got some more leverage on the breaker. Makes any difference?
Righto, so Matt's got a pipe over the breaker bar, so I hope. Oh. Jesus.
Bloody hell.
Did that actually snap clean?
I have no idea, to be honest. I don't think it's fucking done anything.
What's that big one? No. Righto, we'll get.
Hold on.
Hold on, he says.
Not done.
Yeah, if you know. Did I get it?
Yep.
Brilliant.
Got it. Ooh, bloody hell, that one made me work.
Yeah. Love your work.
Oh, shit. Hit the spot.
Oh no, push that bolt, dude. You should push it through. There you go.
Set that where it goes.
Oh, hang on, guys. I've got to put you down. Oh, maybe I'll swap hands. There we go.
Cool.
Righto. So.
Just leave it in it.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that so I know which way it goes back
Yeah,
on.
so if we go that way, like that,
Yeah,
that goes there. Give me that one. So that goes that way?
Yep.
Cool.
Exactly the way it was.
Oh, sorry, guys. There we go. That's the way it's got to go back on. So now we've got to get the
Bottom shock.
bottom shock or top shock?
Bottom.
Bottom first,
Bottom first.
just because.
That's already right there. I don't think it really matters. Oh, no, it probably will make a difference. Do the bottom first. Oh, God, this is going to be insane.
Well, I watched a guy who did this, and I think he said this one was the hard one. The bottom one. He say,
Thanks.
good luck.
I might put that breaker bar back on this. Breaker bar on a breaker bar.
Yep. Whoa! I reckon you just broke its back.
Yep, I definitely did.
Yeah.
I think I might have broke mine as well.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant.
Jesus.
Jeez.
That was a loud crack.
Yeah. I mean, the amount of force you must be whacking on that, it's just surprising.
Astronomical.
Those, because we've got a, like there's an intermediate thing that it doesn't break.
That is a lot of force.
Right, so you should be able to, yep. Booyah, guys. Hopefully you saw that.
That's it. She's free down the bottom. What do we got? One bolt up the top.
Up the top, yeah. So this
Which
one.
can only get from your side. Oh man. That was a lot of force. Oh shit.
Righto, so did you already remove that thing down?
No.
Oh.
Probably just a crappy clamp.
Yeah, or yeah, we'll put that back on properly.
Oh, right. Same size. 22.
Yep, 20. Sorry.
17.
Oh, 17. Oh, shit.
Oh, I got it. Don't
You
worry,
got
I
it?
got it.
Oh. Nice. Apparently, once this bolt comes out, it should just still sit in there. I think the guy that I watched, he said he just moved the back of that, and it fell out. Is there only one way that this shock can go in? Do we have to make sure we take a note of where it's sitting, where the...
You take this black glove off.
Yeah.
Can't feel anything.
No, it's, yeah. Oh, it's just fallen out anyway.
Beautiful.
Brilliant.
That's it.
Like that. So what's defining...
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Does this one have the... Is this one a little bit different to this?
Yeah, it's got a different preload adjuster.
I'll bring it up to the bench and we'll have a look.
Got the old spanner.
Ooh.
So we just have to make sure that that goes on the right side. 'Cause if you face it the wrong way, there's an airbox on the other side.
Yeah, right.
So
So
I
these are
won't adjust
way
that
different. What the...
Yeah, that's what I said. I don't think that was the right shot for this bike.
Yeah. So they've just whacked something else in it.
This one I know is definitely off a KLR650. So
And the KLR 650 should be taller than the DR 650.
should be.
Yeah, and it wasn't.
Didn't seem to be, but yours isn't stock either. So your
No,
bike.
no, true.
So
But no, I measured it against a stock bike up at Echuca, and my bike was exactly the same height as the stock one in the shop.
Oh, okay.
I actually physically measured it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
alright, fair
yeah.
enough.
Because we were all looking at this stock one going, oh my God, it's so small, and Max is so big, and
Yeah,
we did the
'cause-
measurement, and it was the same. It's just
Yeah.
optical.
Yeah, I suppose it is because you look at where your headlight sits.
Yeah, and there's, I mean, I've got so much on it.
You've got-
Safari, the screens,
Yeah,
and
huge tank, bark busters, all that.
yeah. All right,
So
cool.
that is already, I think, looking slightly.
All right, I think you need a smoko after all that busting.
I think I need a masseuse.
Yeah. Rightio, he's ready to go.
Yep. I think so.
So this shock is a little bit taller than the other one. So the other one obviously was not, well, we already knew it wasn't the original.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't the original.
So, yeah.
Let's get it in. Oh, bloody hell. This might be a little more awkward going back up. Where's that? Breathe hose. Oh, look at that. Straight in. Oh, where'd that block go? Yeah.
It's really annoying having your hand in the way of the screen, you know.
Oh, well. Is that better? Not too much for
that's
you.
all right. It's cool. I'm just joking. So just loose.
Loose fit them.
Yeah. Once it's all in its spot, then we'll tighten them all up.
Yep. It's finger tight.
Now I might have to.
Bloody hell. Try and line it up.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to get good angles for you, but
Yeah, well, it's hard when you're in such a tight space.
yeah. This is my bloody struggle always with videoing. Nice. Now the dog bones.
Yep.
Watch out underneath there.
Yep. That is yours. That's the outside.
Yep.
So that way.
Done. I don't know where I'm gonna put.
Yep.
There we go, got it. Cool. And for the bottom bit, that's where I'll have to most probably move that bottom, or the wheel to adjust it. So yeah, we'll get, hang on. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see, but there you go. Alright. So is up gonna help?
No. Need to go the other way. Oop. That's it. Oh! Lost our sleeve.
Oh, you pushed the sleeve out, right.
Slot that back in.
Yep.
Oh, it's just not quite.
Not quite.
Oh, there we go. Down a bit. That's it.
Cool. So that, guys, that was just moving the actual bike,
Oh,
not
right.
the wheel, not
No,
the swing
that's
arm.
Just there.
Hang on. I've got to put, I've got
Yeah,
to bloody.
yours on.
Oh, hang on. We're going to go back out a bit,
Back
Matt.
out then, yeah.
Righto. Yep, got it.
No. And then we can tighten all that up.
Oh, got these guys so they can see what we're bloody doing. Oh, for frick's sake. Oh. Where are we? There we are. So, yeah, cool.
Sure, we've got everything.
That's it. So all we've got to do now, guys, is just tighten all these up.
Yep. That's it. Tighten and done.
So we'll do that now because that's just all. That's it, isn't it? Once that's tightened.
Once that's tightened, that's it. Bar adjusting it once it's done.
Oh, for you,
Setting
yeah.
the sag.
Sag. And you were saying that the sag was at the lowest, which is really good.
The preload is on its lowest setting as is.
Yeah.
It was already. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see when I'm sitting on it.
Yep, beauty.
See how well it goes.
Rightio, guys. So that's it. All tightened up.
Drop it down.
Drop it bloody down. she feels like. Oh, that
soft.
Yeah,
Plush.
that's way. That looks
Plush.
yeah.
I don't know if it's any taller. Doesn't seem to be. That's
Yeah,
very
it
plush though. Ooh. It's not taller than I fall off it.
Oh man,
That's super squishy.
that's what I expected this to be.
Yeah. Remember, that's one prelim,
One on the yeah.
which is not even factory recommended.
Wow, that's a huge difference.
So
Massive. Hey, can you look at the pipe to see how close that wheel gets to it? Tell me when you're ready.
There you go. Nah, plenty of room.
No close?
Not even going to touch it.
Cool.
Got at least an inch. There's no way that's going to hit it.
Rightio guys, that's a bloody win.
Yep.
So now, obviously you'll ride it and then you'll just work out, keep tweaking that.
I'm going to bump that preload up now because that's going to be way too soft straight off the bat.
Alright, let's do that. Rightio guys, I was just talking to Matt in regards to, I didn't realise, so that shocker that he got off eBay was a Gumtree, was a Gen2 Shock. So it's off a Gen2 motorcycle.
Yeah.
So that just slipped straight in, no problems whatsoever with bolts. So Matt was saying that, hang on, here you go, he'll tell you about the bolt sizes.
Oh, yeah. Because I did a bit of reading about whether or not I could use a Gen2 shock on a Gen1 and vice versa. And there was a lot of rambling about the bolt sizes, either the top one or the bottom one, I can't remember, is longer on the Gen2 than it is on the Gen1. So I thought we might have had a hiccup putting that in, but I don't know, it went in. So either people are talking shit and repeating what somebody else has said, or
like you said, because we don't know whether that shock that was in there was the original.
it definitely wasn't the original for this bike.
Yeah, so they may have
Already swapped out the bolts.
So we could be
know.
talking shit as well because we don't know.
Yeah,
we're not talking shit, but yeah.
Yeah, we don't know, but
Yeah.
fun facts.
So there you go. Just thought I'd throw that in there. All right. So Matt jumped on to the manual.
Yes.
We're calling it the preload. Is
Yes,
it
preload.
preload? So if you are 60, they give you, if you're 68 kilograms in weight, the rider, you don't have any accessories or anything else.
Just, yeah.
Standard, the preload is 1 to 2.
Yeah.
1 to 2, that's what you would run it at. So obviously Matt is, what are you, 78 kilos? Did we weigh you?
75.
Oh, 75 kilos. So you're going to run it at 3.
I'm going to go for 3.
Then we'll just see how it goes and then adjust it from there.
Oh, yeah. That's the way we want to go. What's that? 2 or 3? Can't see the number. Actually, no, let's just max it out.
Max it out.
Max it out and we'll jump on it and see how,
All right, yeah.
how soft
Cool.
it is.
Done.
Jesus, Siege vision.
Righto guys, we've maxed it out to number 5. Let's see. Yeah, I reckon it's taller, you know.
It looked tall.
That's still plush.
Still plush,
Yeah. But
but it definitely looks a bit stiffer.
yeah, I think it is.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. I reckon, yeah. I reckon, you try it. I'd much rather run it that.
Yeah, that's actually,
Yeah.
yeah. Might try running at that first.
Hold back so I can jump up and down. Seems very stiff.
That's incredibly awkward to try and do. Oh, yeah, I might run it at that. I reckon. Oh, Jesus.
Righto. Rightio guys, well there you go. That is the KLR650 budget bike build done and dusted for another week. Another week.
Another week, another episode.
It was
whatever
episode 7.
7, yep.
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 Episode 8, who knows? But we've got that will be getting fixed. We've got waiting on the instrument cluster to come.
Yep.
We've got to tighten up the chain, but we're going to do that. Oh, and there's the fuel tank cushion. We've got to go to old mate.
Yep,
The
we've got
wreckers. Yeah, we've still got heaps to bloody do.
Heaps.
Righto, we'll see you in the next one. Keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.